Just wanted to come on and just say hello. It's a great day, great Saturday. Tara and Callie are off to a Highland dance competition. Well, Ethan and I are here at the house, and I am just in the prepping stages for Unseen and Unspoken, a journey through the shadows. And I just wanted to come on and just kind of put a face behind the fact of what I'm trying to do with this project. And I want to do a trial run here in the fall. I'm heading back to Newfoundland, and I've started to contemplate whether or not I want to turn this into a trial run for the cross country tour. So I'm looking for sponsors. I'm looking for partners, places to stay along the way. I want to be able to connect with organizations, with groups, community groups, clubs, that I can partner with along the way to either book me for speaking, have me present, great ways for me to be able to earn money and kind of do this trial run. But I'm also looking for you. If you're interested in partnering and funding and sponsoring as a business, as an individual, there is endless ways that we can work together, from advertising, marketing, branding, social media work together, my website, at the events. I'm hoping that I can get a sponsor to wrap the car. Some of you have seen what I put out already, but just stay tuned and let me know if you're interested and if you want to be a part of this. Having gone through my own mental health battle, as you all recently know, my announcement with regards to, after 30 years, bringing to the police my sexual abuse situation. So just a lot of things that I want to take on the road with this project and kind of marry together the photography, creative outlets, mental health, suicide, addiction, homelessness, workshops, partnering with local communities. This is all part of Unseen and Unspoken. So it's not a pay for a vacation type situation. It is a partnership, a sponsorship, and deliverables in return for that. So comment below. Let me know if you're interested. I've got a Ko-Fi page. I've got a PayPal option. I've got e-transfer. I've got prints for sale. I've got calendars for sale. There's lots of ways to help fund this. So look forward to seeing you, and let's turn this dream into a reality. Cheers.